Hey, Scullin, algebra class. As you can tell, I'm not there because I'm at jury duty today. Hooray! No, really. I wish I was with you guys, but in the meantime, you are going to behave for the sub and listen to what he or she says. So, let's go right into this. Hopefully, you are already with your assignment notebook out and impressing everyone by writing down the homework assignments. I want to point out that your homework assignments are not due tomorrow. They're right here. Also, I am aware that we didn't get to the college credit things. Hold on to those things. We will get to them when I come back, hopefully by tomorrow. We're going to go ahead and we're going to work on the slides today. The first thing I want you guys to do is we're going to pass back your exit slips that you guys started on. If you didn't start on them, don't worry. We'll get loose leaf paper and get it started. But they should be handed back to you first. And then what we're going to do is we're going to work on these slides right here. But if you click on them, you can see that the homework assignments are right here. For those that didn't have enough time, you can go ahead and continue to work on those. And once that's done, I want to let the sub get right into the lesson. In case the sub or you guys don't know how to navigate this, make sure you understand that technically you can close out any of the things right here by looking at the tabs. The tabs right there can show you the various things that are open. I'm going to go click back on the Algebra 1 tab, and the next thing we're going to do is go through the lesson. The lesson can be obtained by clicking on that particular tab or post, and it will take us straight to the lesson here. The best way to do it is to hit the present mode so that you can be full screen and show the class how to go through this lesson. But I'm going to go ahead and leave it not in full screen so you can see what's going on. This is the general overview of Unit 1. Before we have the test, you can see that the days are outlined there. We will be going a little faster than the projected days because the fact that we are PA. The lesson has objectives that are clearly listed. These questions that are being shown should be done in your notebook. You never know when I'm going to do a notebook check which would qualify as classwork grade, just to see if you're following along in class. It is an expectation of mine that you write notes, or at least do the practice problems, such as these I should be able to see 1 through 9 all written down into your notebooks. If there's time, we're going to do the class activity, which is a short game between partners. But if not, I will finish the lesson when I come back, or next day if needs be. The homework is located at the very end. I repeat, the very end. There are 2 slides. I'm going to go back and forth, pretty obnoxious. And it also has that obnoxious color, which is green, right there, and that symbolizes that it is the homework. Make sure you do this on loose leaf paper, not in your notebook. I will take points off if you do with frilly edges, or if you want to print it out, you may do so and write on the sheet itself. I don't encourage printing just because I don't want you guys to waste your ink at home and paper, but we already have loose leaf. You can treat this like a textbook. It's no different than in the textbook. You're not going to write on your textbook. You're going to just do that problem and show your work and circle the answers. As far as how much work, you're going to show what you need. I at least would like you guys to copy the problem down and not just write simply the answers. So therefore, when we go over the answers the next day, it'd be a little bit more clear. So that looks like it. That's about it. And enjoy the class, and I'll see you when I see you.